Hey Autumn, there is one extra thing that I forgot to show you, and that was how to edit the testimonials section on your website. So what you're going to want to do is log in to Wix.com, and then when you get to the click on your site. So either from the dashboard or from that main page where you can click to select the site, you're going to click on edit the site. That's going to bring up the site editor. So what you're going to do from here is it should bring you up to the home page, but if for any reason it ever doesn't, click on the menu on the left-hand side and click on the home page. And then as you scroll down a little bit, you will find that you'll get to the testimonials section. In order to edit the testimonials, you just have to click on the testimonial and click on edit the text. Add in the testimonial name, and then underneath, obviously add the person's name. Once you finish, if you want to make sure that it's centered so it looks good, I would recommend that. If you ever want to add in more testimonials to this, just click on Manage Slides, and then you can click on Duplicate, and it will add another one in, keeping the same formatting. And once you have added the testimonials in, the last thing that you're going to want to make sure that you do is click on the mobile, the little phone up here, and then this will bring up how the website looks on a mobile device. And so the final thing to do once you add a testimonial in is just to make sure that it looks good, make sure it looks centered, and then click on publish after you make any and all of the changes that you've wanted to make for the testimonials. So it should be pretty straightforward, but again, if you run into any questions or anything like that, just let us know. I know that you have support with us for the next 2 weeks. I think we have you down like through the 25th, I think. But after that, if you ever run into something where you need to do edits and stuff, let us know. And we're always more than happy to put together like a quote or the VIP retainer package. So thanks so much, and look forward to hearing how you love the site.